Hey everybody, welcome back to Our Gold Road. So in this video, we're just going to show you how we hook everything back up to the truck and get ready to move to the next site. Let's get started. So I just wanted to make this video because I've watched a couple things, I've read a couple things where people make checklists when they're leaving their campsite and getting ready to head to the next destination or head home. That way they don't forget to do something when they're hooking up their trailer. Because we've had a couple situations. Once with the Avion, we were at Palo Duro, I didn't raise the tongue jack up all the way, and I could have possibly bent that tongue jack if I wasn't paying attention. Another time was at Dinosaur Valley State Park in the U-Haul, where we actually pulled away and yanked the power cable right out of the shore power. Luckily nothing was damaged there either. So I thought it'd be a good idea to remind people to make a checklist so they don't happen to break anything on their trailer or break anything at the campsite. So let's go see how we do it. Okay, so now we're going to raise up the leveling jack before we hitch up.
Uh-oh, that's gonna break.
It's definitely not gonna break. This step is very important because if you leave your stabilizers down, you raise up the tongue jack, you could break your stabilizers. So this is the part where my wife perfectly backs me up first try.
Yeah, you just jinxed me. I'm gonna have you go like 6 inches to the left. Oh wait, hold on, you should look at it before you get in the truck.
Or you could buy a backup camera, but we don't have one of those yet.
Not near as much personality in that.
Yeah. Camping. You did great.
First try, no warm up. Now that we got the trailer coupler locked, now we're gonna install the weight distribution spring bars.
Are you ready, Dad? Got it.
You don't even need my help with this anymore, huh?
Supposed to be able to do it like this.
Does it slide up like that?
No. Oh. That was my point. Now that we got the spring bars in place, we're going to attach the chain and put the pin in the connection bracket. Now we're just going to put the jack all the way up, the foot on the jack all the way up. Locked. All right, now we're just gonna plug in the electrical. For the trailer lights. And now we're going to attach the chains, safety chains. Make sure you crisscross them underneath.
Is that tightening link weight rated?
Yes, of course. So I have my wife here just to check on me.
I do. That's my job.
Yeah. Your job, that's really not.
It's a team effort.
Oh, really? Is it a team effort?
It is a
that's
team
too
effort.
far.
It's a team effort.
And then just attaching the trailer brake safety cable. Make sure your propane tanks are off. At least that's what we do. We don't drive with our propane tanks on. And then you just pull the chocks. And now we're just going to disconnect from shore power. Tuck away, plug, close that up. Pull up our cord and disconnect our surge protector. And of course, if you had water hooked up, you disconnect water from your trailer. And if you had your dump hose installed, you would dump your black and gray tanks and then disconnect those. Of course, one of the final steps you want to do is make sure everything inside is all buttoned up and shut. You want to make sure your refrigerator is locked. We got this nice little beef skewer that keeps our refrigerator locked. And you just want to check all the doors and make sure everything is locked. Make sure everything is latched, shut, and ready to go. And then we'll head outside and finish everything else up. Press hard. Stand on there. Okay, you're good. Always lock your trailer so your door doesn't fly open while you're driving.
Yeah.
That happens a lot.
It does.
And then you're just gonna do a quick walk around, double checking everything.
Dad,
Yeah,
where's
but
my book?
which one?
The park ranger?
It's in the truck ready to go. There we go. Door locked, windows shut, wheel chocks are out. All your doors are locked. Make sure there's nothing under the rear of the trailer.
Left blinker.
Hold on,
Huh?
hold on. Make sure that's
Right
locked.
blinker.
I said hold on.
Oh.
Another good habit to get in is if you have a tire pressure gauge, is to check the pressure on your tires. That way you don't have a blowout on the road. Left works. Right works. Hazards work. Blinkers already work. You doing brakes? Okay, brakes work. Reverse. Reverse works. Okay, we're good. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps our channel out. Also, subscribe to our channels for more videos like this, how-tos on renovating vintage trailers, as well as some of the state parks and national parks that we visited. Also, if you have something that we missed, maybe something you have on your checklist that might help somebody out when they're trying to make their checklist for leaving a campsite, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let's help each other out so we don't break any parts of our trailer or get in accidents down the road. We can help each other be more safe. Thanks for watching Our Gold Road. If you like this video, click right now to check out our most recent state park video. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Can I throw a rock at you?
No.
I'm kidding.